topic of the chapter is depletion of water table. Water drawn from under the ground gets replenished by seepage of rainwater into the ground. The water table does not get affected as long as we draw as much water from the soil as much is replenished by rainfall or by any natural processes. However, water table may go down if the water is not sufficiently replenished, and this may happen due to many reasons like population growth, industrialization, agricultural activities, construction activities, reduced forest cover, global warming, etc. So all these factors can be responsible for depletion of water table. The major factor among these are population, industrialization, in agriculture activities, etc. First one is increasing population. As we know, increasing population creates demand for construction of houses, shops, offices, roads and pavements, and due to this this decreases the open areas like parks and playground, which in turn decreases the seepage of rainwater into the ground, and a huge amount of water is needed for constructing all these like houses, shops, offices, etc. And for all these activities water is drawn from the ground, and this is mainly responsible for depletion of water table. So we can say in construction work of all these we require a huge amount of water. So on one hand we are consuming more groundwater, and on the other hand we are not allowing less or we are allowing lesser water to seep into the ground, and this results in depletion of water table. Second factor is increasing industries. Every industry uses water for its production process. Even water is used by all the industries. Almost everything that we use needs water somewhere in its production process, and as we know the number of industries is increasing day by day. Water used by most industries is also drawn from the ground. As a result of it, the water table is depleting. In the same way, agricultural activities are also responsible for depleting the water table. A majority of farmers in India depends upon rains for irrigating their crops. Irrigation system like canals are there only in a few places. This system may suffer from lack of water due to plenty of rainfall. So due to lack of plenty of rainfall, the farmers have to depend on groundwater for their irrigation, and the population pressure on agriculture forces increasing use of groundwater day by day, and due to this this is also a main factor for depletion of water table. So we can say water table is also depleting due to use of underground water for irrigating the plants. So these are the major factors which are responsible for depleting the water table. And beside this, for construction activity, as I told you, for due to increase in population, the demand for water is increasing day by day, because to survive more people there is construction of more shops, for more offices, and due to this water is decreasing day by day. In the same way, reduced forest cover, for making different shops, malls, we are cutting the trees, and due to this deforestation there is change in the pattern of rainfall, and as well as this is depleting the water table. In the same way, global warming means increase in the temperature of the earth, and as we know, if the temperature of the earth increases, it will interfere with the water cycle, and if water cycle is disturbed, it will change the pattern of rainfall on the earth, and due to change in the pattern of the rainfall on the earth, definitely there will be effect on the raining, and it if there will be no seepage of water, if there will be no rainfall, there will be no seepage of water into the ground, and due to this there will be less water available underground, and it will again deplete the water table. So all these factors directly or indirectly are responsible for depleting the water table. Thank you.